Law number 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. In the Meek Mill versus Drake feud, where Meek Mill accused Drake of having a ghostwriter, Drake's reputation was on the line. Meek Mill blindsided Drake with a series of tweets and a leak of reference tracks from Quentin Miller and Drake recording sessions. Drake responded 4 days later on his OVO radio show with Charged Up, a song that took subtle jabs at Meek Mill. After waiting 4 days for Meek Mill to respond, Drake dropped Back to Back, which ended up being Grammy nominated and selling over 250,000 copies. Meek Mill finally responded to Drake with a song called Wanna Know, but it wasn't received as well as Back to Back. In a later interview, Drake stated that he dropped Back to Back because he seen that Meek Mill wasn't ready, and that he made a conscious effort of making a club song because he know that Meek Mill will have to live with it for months, especially if it become as popular as he think it would. Even though a lot of people say that Drake was ultimately hurt by these accusations that Meek Mill made of him having a ghostwriter, Drake definitely did defend his reputation. Drake also accomplished having other artists think twice at targeting him for a rap battle. Coming into this battle, he was the underdog because Meek Mill was known for battle rap, and that's pretty much what he got popular off of. And Drake being an artist that sing and make pop music, a lot of people were siding more towards Meek until Back to Back dropped and we heard Wanna Know. Summary: so much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. A lot of people don't understand how important reputation is, especially in the day and age of social media. Drake is the forefront of understanding reputation. In the Meek Mill versus Drake incident, Drake was clearly the underdog and everyone thought he was going to lose, and he came out victorious. But Drake is very smart about the battles he chooses. He doesn't challenge people like Big Sean or Kendrick Lamar, at least overtly, because he knows that those guys are lyricists and that will put a dent into his reputation. Drake built his reputation on being an urban hit songwriter with crossover appeal, so when Meek Mill challenged the basis of his reputation, he had to respond. But sometimes it's smarter not to respond, especially when that person is smaller than you, because, like I said before, it puts a bigger target on your back because that person isn't known and you have much more to lose. Make sure to tune in next week Monday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Time for another video on the laws of power.